Ano? Wala eh. Well, how was it? It's fun? Huh?
Dad, we went like this. Well, went so fast.
Bumpy?
Wow. Hugot ng ano?
Okay. How was it? What? What? You bump? Miguel, si Daddy Tony. They give the lifesaver to Lolo. Lolo's turn. What? It's okay. That's Lolo can use that.
Okay, live test ko muna, Daddy.
Yan.
Kakanta si Anita, ha?
Yan na.
Lunes!
Yan na.
Si Daddy ay... Nalunod.
Wag. Baka live best naman eh. Ayan. CSI Miami. Yon. Start, Daddy, start. Tulog ka rin dito, Josel? Sama ka mag-stay din? Ah, gano'n? Wala. Ah, gano'n? Sino si Alvin? Ah! Okay. Oh, on the way na. So you're the last or you're next? Can we go together? Ate Andy, try mo. Ah, hindi, kayo dalawa ng Tito Bingel. Tito Bingel, professional. Ha? Ano ka lang, passenger? Passenger, gusto mo? Siyan?
Passenger lang.
Passenger lang, oh. That one's not that good because it's a small one. Small one.